Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best dash cams is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your vehicle, offering peace of mind and crucial evidence in case of accidents, providing irrefutable footage to insurance companies and potentially saving you from disputes or legal battles. They also act as a deterrent to would-be thieves or vandals, and some models even include helpful features like parking mode surveillance and GPS tracking, ensuring you're covered whether you're on the road or parked. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Experience the future of driving with crystal clear 4K video recording. It's packed with features to keep you safe and connected on the road. Capture every detail with its stunning 2160p resolution. Even in low light, the revolutionary night vision ensures clear footage. Instantly access and manage your recordings via the ROVE app on your smartphone. Download and share your videos quickly and easily. It accurately records your location and speed. View your driving route on Google Maps using the app or our GPS player. It boasts a supercapacitor, a wide-angle lens, parking mode, and more. It's designed for ultimate peace of mind. Backed by a 1-year warranty and a dedicated US-based customer support team. We're here to help with any questions or issues. What we like. It boasts stunning 4K Ultra HD recording and built-in Wi-Fi 6 for easy access to your footage. If you need high-quality video evidence and convenient app control, this dash cam is perfect for you. It's ideal for those who want the best image quality and easy sharing options. What people say. This is a nice, small, unobtrusive dash cam. It appears and feels to be built from quality materials. It comes with a couple of different brackets for mounting. The camera's onboard menus are easy to follow and navigate. There is even voice guidance with each button press, which is in clear English, in a female voice. This camera's video quality is outstanding. At 1080p at 60 fps, with the 168GB Samsung Evo Select micro SD card that I chose, a 1-minute video, 157 MB, can be downloaded via Wi-Fi to my old Samsung Galaxy S8 in under a minute, and a 3-minute video, for 64 MB, in roughly 2.5 minutes. I haven't found a need to operate my camera above 1080p at 60 fps yet, but at that resolution videos, when viewed on my phone, are sharp and clear with bright natural colors, and without glitches or twitches. Number 4. REDTIGER F7MP Dash Cam. It captures stunning 4K front and 1080p rear video, ensuring you get crystal clear footage of your drives. With its wide-angle lenses, it minimizes blind spots and records crucial details. This dash cam utilizes an advanced lens and HDR/WDR technology. It captures sharp, clear images even in low-light conditions, providing reliable footage day and night. Connect it to your smartphone with the built-in Wi-Fi. Easily view, download, and share your videos using the REDTIGER app on iOS or Android devices. It records your driving route, speed, and location. This data can be viewed on Google Maps via the app or our desktop software, providing valuable evidence in case of an accident. It features loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and 24-hour parking mode, with optional hardware kit. Important footage is always saved and protected. We stand behind our product with an 18-month assurance and 24/7 technical support. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This dash cam offers impressive dual recording capabilities with 4K and 1080p resolution. It also includes a 24-hour parking monitor, providing continuous surveillance. If you need comprehensive coverage and worry about parking lot incidents, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install and with clearly written English instructions. Great suction cup with integrated GPS antenna makes installation a breeze. Cam will slide off mount if you want to hide it while parked without removing the entire mount. Crystal clear video, front at 4K and back at 2K, produce high-resolution video where you can read license plates and even identify who was driving another vehicle. This definitely has all the functionality of everything I wanted in a GPS-tracked dash camera. The video quality is great, it was very easy to set up and format, and you can choose the chunks of time that the video records in. The 4K front and 2.5K rear resolution deliver crystal clear video quality, making every detail easy to see, even in low-light conditions. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS are incredibly convenient, allowing me to download videos directly to my phone and track driving routes effortlessly. Number 3. WOLFBOX G840S Mirror Dash Cam. Experience breathtaking detail with its 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera. The large 12-inch display drastically reduces blind spots, enhancing your safety. It boasts a wide field of view, minimizing blind spots while driving and reversing. The smart split screen shows both cameras simultaneously for complete awareness. This dash cam delivers exceptional image quality, day or night. Advanced technology ensures clear recordings even in low-light conditions. The built-in GPS accurately records your journey. Easily review your driving data and relive your trips with precise location information. It provides continuous surveillance of your vehicle, even when parked. Time-lapse recording conserves power and storage, hardware kit required. Enjoy reliable performance with the upgraded USB-C port and added features like streaming media, adjustable viewing angles, and G-sensor recording. What we like. With its large 12-mirror display and wide viewing angles, it minimizes blind spots and enhances safety. The 4K UHD clarity ensures you capture every detail. If you prioritize a larger screen and a safer driving experience, this is the dash cam for you. What people say. The 12-view display is very sharp and clear, the wide-angle lenses show everything and more, the GPS is accurate, and the rear-facing camera works very well, especially if you hook up the wire to the backup light so the unit displays the adjustable backup lines. Very useful in parking lots. The build quality is superior. Ease of use is a piece of cake feature packed for all the stuff you need for a dash cam as part of a mirror with none of the needless gimmicks. The brightness is there and the picture quality is practically feature-packed. Video image quality is crisp and clear given that it's 4K UHD. The cameras, both front and rear, function very well. Larger than your standard rear view mirror size. Easy to install. Optional GPS is a nice feature. Number 2. REDTIGER F7N 4K Dual Dash Cam. It captures highly detailed images, including street signs and license plates, thanks to its 4K front and 1080p rear cameras. The wide-angle lens ensures you have extended views and fewer blind spots. With built-in GPS, it precisely records your location, route, and speed. Connect to your smartphone via Wi-Fi for wireless data transfer, settings changes, and easy video viewing and sharing. Even at night or in low light, it delivers clear images. This is thanks to its high-spec StarVis sensor, large aperture, and advanced WDR and HDR technology. It provides 24/7 parking monitoring. If a collision is detected, it automatically records and locks a 15-second video. Dedicated hardware kit needed for this feature. It comes with an 18-month warranty. Our 24/7 technical support team is always ready to assist you with any questions or issues. What we like. This dash cam provides excellent night vision and dual recording in 4K and 1080p. The built-in GPS ensures accurate location tracking. If you frequently drive at night and need clear recordings in low-light conditions, this is an excellent choice. What people say. REDTIGER dashcam shows very clear images, has Bluetooth and GPS capability, and a parking mode if hardwired. Installation is ridiculously simple. The overall quality of the product is good considering its affordable price. The camera resolution and wide-angle feature are strong points, providing an expansive view and acceptable detail. Number 1. Vantrue N4 3-channel dashcam. It simultaneously records the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle in high resolution. This provides complete coverage and protects you from liability issues. When in dual-channel mode, it captures stunning 4K footage from the front and clear 1080p from the rear. The rear camera's adjustable 360 degrees angle ensures optimal placement in any vehicle. Switch to this mode for high-resolution recording of the front and interior. This is perfect for rideshare drivers needing to document their trips. Thanks to its advanced sensors and infrared LEDs, it captures clear video footage even in complete darkness. This ensures visibility for all driving conditions. With parking mode, it continuously records while parked, maximizing recording time. Motion or collision detection triggers automatic recording of events. It's powered by a supercapacitor, enabling it to withstand extreme temperatures and extending its lifespan. It's designed to handle any weather. A built-in G-sensor automatically detects collisions and locks the footage. Loop recording ensures continuous recording without interruption. It's easy to install and use, and comes with an 18-month warranty and 24-hour email support. Firmware updates ensure it stays current. What we like. This dashcam offers 3-channel recording for complete vehicle coverage, including the interior. It features 4K recording and IR night vision for superior image quality in all conditions. If you need comprehensive coverage and top-tier night vision, this is the one for you. What people say. Installed in a 2003 Toyota Celica. I paired the N4 3-channel dashcam with Vantrue's hardwire kit and it successfully runs on parking mode off of the car's battery without draining it when switched to 12V draw. Parking mode records while I'm parked. When I open my car door the camera's screen turns on for a moment, and then it continues recording. The daytime image quality of the camera is exceptional. License plates can be clearly identified from a considerable distance on the camera feed. The rear-facing camera is particularly useful, given my truck configuration. I strategically positioned the camera near the top of my rear window, enabling it to capture the entirety of the truck's rear. The quality of the video pictures and everything is very nice. It's very good product. The camera's user interface is intuitive and user-friendly. The setup process took less than 10 minutes, and the wiring installation, assuming basic DIY skills, took approximately an hour. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.